First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video.
Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me.
Great ideas for your car you'll find in this project with a Volkswagen Golf MK2 GTI yellow restoration. It's a full restoration, owners start from zero. It's amazing devotion of this guy to invest money and time in this car. I don't know how many of us invest in same car. Change everything, engine, color, interior, rims, suspension, make white body. Congrats to the owner. Owner of the car wants to show his tuning story for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, don't hesitate and ask in comment section below, and also you will find in description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make a new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.